microphone. Smile to the camera.
Picture. Alright. Next is Miss Jillian Micaela Reyes. Mga Latina po ito. Close.
Happy 18th birthday to my OG best friend. Ikaw yung classmate ko mula elementary hanggang ngayon. Ay, hindi ko na kasi college na tayo. Kala ko mag-classmate pa rin tayo kasi lahat ng school na tinake natin pero sadly ako yung makapagsan ko yung mga ako. So, ngayon 18 ka na. Thank you for our memories and support 3 years. I'm so grateful to have you on my side. I'm so proud of you as a person. Always remember that I'm always here for you through ups and downs. I love you.
Alright, smile to the camera. Next is Miss Atara Ishi Bautista. Smile.
Happy birthday, Ceci. And I am really grateful to be your friend and to be someone in your life. I am so thankful to be part of your life and to be in your special day. I hope this day brings you happiness kahit na-stress ka kasi sobrang dalo nag-back-out. And please know that I'm always supporting you in every decisions that you make. And if ever na may problems ka in life, kung dito lang ako always. I'm ready maging kind shoulder mo. I wish you the happiness and strength. Good luck sa college na and happy birthday. May hindi lang tong message pero alam mo kung gano'n kita ka ba. Alam mo, senior high school lagi mo sinasabi na sana magka-boyfriend ka na. So yes, ano magka-boyfriend ka na?
Smile to the camera.
Okay, wait na. Okay. So, ready na ba yung kasunod natin? Ready ka na ba? Kinakabahan? Okay lang yan. Ganyan talaga pag-live. Sir, smile. Next is Miss Iris Danielle Arado.
Happy birthday, Ceci. We've been friends since grade 7. And I'm really thankful na hanggang ngayon, first time friends. You've been there for me through my highs and lows. And every time na kailangan kita, kahit ka lang dyan. Hindi talaga ako magaling sa words, pero you know how much I love you. Lalo na nung time na kailangan ko talaga na makakasama. You really showed me kung gaano ka makabulit yung video. Thank you for being a ray of sunshine sa serving natin and for not making me feel left out. Lalo na ngayon na kayong tatlo may bagong serving. Kaya wish ko sa'yo is happiness in life, success sa lahat ng gagawin mo, and sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams ko. I hope na we stay friends and keep in touch kahit na alam mo minsan na hindi mo tawagan kasi super busy ko na. Pero just know na nandito lang ako palagi and kahit busy ako, I'll always make time for you. Again, happy birthday, Ceci. I love you.
It's okay. Talaga.
Ano talaga? Kapag mensahe galing talaga sa puso, tatapos yan. Alright. So next, Miss Iris Danielle Arado. Ayun na yun. Alright. Madam Jezreel Combo.
Princess, my ever-responsible president in grade 11 of Ideas. As you begin this new chapter of womanhood, my heartfelt hope is that you find joy in all the wonderful things life has to offer. Keep in mind that there may be tough times ahead, but please never lose hope. My wish for you is that you continue to shine brightly, no matter what challenges come your way. And always remember that I will always support you in everything you do, and I am one call away if you ever need me. I am proud of you now, and happy 18th birthday again.
Oh, picture po, ma'am. Smile.
Picture po. Picture po. 3, 2, 1, and... Okay, thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much, ma'am. Next is Nina Marie. Very good. Olivia. Okay, next is Miss Mariela Garciano.
Happy Legality Princess, thank you for letting me be part of this special night, and I hope you will enjoy ka, especially now that you're already 18. Isa ka sa mga kaibigan ko na hindi ko in-expect na maging close since hindi naman tayo masyadong kasama ng grade 6. Nagsimula lang ng grade 7. And I'm grateful and thankful na we're still friends right now. Kahit na nagkayo na tayo ng school at hindi na tayo masyadong nagsasama. This na kita kasama mag-TikTok and grade 7. And I'm always here if ever you need help. Chat mo lang ako. I wish you more happiness and good health. And syempre, sana ma-achieve mo lahat ng goals and dreams na in life. Don't forget to enjoy and believe in yourself. Stay kind and enjoy this new chapter. Happy birthday, Lord. Love you.
Smile to the camera.
Smile. Thank you so much. Ayan. Next is Miss Ariel Benizia. Glyza De Castro. Ang nakikita ko sa batang ko. Tama, no? Ay, oo nga! Hala, hindi ang mukha. Pagpatito. Galing.
Oh, may picture lang kami, ah.
Hi, sis. Happy birthday. Wow, talagang malaga na. Welcome to adulthood. It's been 6 months since nandito tayo sa RTU. That's the interview. So, yun. Nagbigay ng copy ko, diba? And hearing you that simple gesture from you will lead us where we are today. I just want to say to never lose your spark. Keep shining. Kung maligalig ka na ngayon, o ano pa in the future. Because that's the part of you that makes you you. And that's the part of you that I adore the most. Sana malinaw pa ang mata mo forever. Hindi lang dahil mahilig ka magpa-pogi hunting, but so you can always see what you truly deserve. Be your best, do your best, always aim for the best. Ceci, more like my sissy, I wish you all the best on your adulthood. More kakulitan, more shared stress, more kabaliwan with you. Just remember, I will always be here listening, supporting and cheering for you no matter how far you go. Stay humble and abundant. Happy birthday!
Smile. Glyza. Smile. Mariela. Gary. Thank you so much. Next is Miss Sabrina Pimentel. Walk up like this. Ang patapos.
Happy 18th birthday, sis. Di ako prepared. Hindi ka talaga nagsabi. Pero yun, I hope na sana magkakasama pa rin tayo next sem or hanggang sa 4th year. And sana tumagal pa yung friendship. Always remember na nandito kami mag-share. faithful by dance.
So, and, sana hindi mo kami makalimutan. Hindi na tayo magiging always good God's
Picture on the camera. Thank you so much. Next is Maria, Miss Maria Lorraine Bautista. A big
First of all, welcome to the Gallery Princess. May Hunter Bad sa mga pogi sa art. And ang wish ko lang sa'yo ay wish you all the best. Sana sabay tayo mga pagtapos ng college and makahanap ng hindi. Yes, may goal. Ayun! Kung may problema ka sa magsabi ka lang sa amin, nandito lang kami lagi para sa'yo. Mabuhay ka ng gusto. Once again, happy.
Okay, big number, then smile. Next is Miss Maxine Pata. Pinagsakan ako ng... Okay.
Kinakabahan ba siya na, no?
Ate says, this is the day you step into a new chapter of your life. Even if we didn't grow up side by side, I've always admired you, your kindness, your strength, and the way you light up every room. I hope this year brings you laughter, exciting adventures, and all the happiness you deserve. Bongga, as you deserve that. And of course, happy birthday to my Tita Doors as well. Tita, I'm wishing you as well. I'm wishing you joy, love, and countless wonderful moments. Thank you both for inspiring me in your birthdays. And once again, happy birthday po.
Picture po together with Mami. Opo. Mami Doris, smile. Ayun, sabi ko Maxine na, fairness.
Gagayahin ko si Maxine.
Ganda, no?
Gagayahin ko eh. Isang
Wala pang make-up yan, ano mo dahil sa picture? Ano po, nalito na yung ano natin, nalito na yung photographer kung sino ang debutante. Alright, next is Chris, Faith, Angeline, Pata. Wow, ang sisimple nito mga to, pero magaganda sila. Ako nga, oh. Ako ay nakapati na lang. Intention na nilagay ko.
Happy birthday, Ate Princess. 80 years old. Sana magsilbi niyo ang kanila sa bawat isa ng inyong gamit. Huwag mo na ako na mga copywriters may pagsubok at nahiramin ng princess. Sana mga tao na rin na masuporta sa once na may hard one yan, please. Happy birthday, Tita Doris.
Okay, naman na po. Okay. Next is Miss Chef May. Chef May. Rose. Mukhang may lahi naman ito.
Maganda talaga. From Leyte, oh.
Wow.
From Saudi yan. Oo.
Happy birthday, Ate Princess.
Oh, pinanganak yan sa
wala po itong araw na ito. Always help me sa
Kaso naiiyak ako.
sa amin na napagkakot.
Oh, shoutout sa mga taga Leyte, ha? Mga taga Leyte dyan, hello, good evening, at saka sa mga taga Tugigaraw. Hello.
Yung man ba ikikis ate princess mo?
Next is
Nahiya.
Lola Miriam Pata!